I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your repository and credentials are ready. Configure SSH keys and personal access tokens so automation can run without prompts. Once done, pick a CI provider that matches team skill and hosting needs, then create a simple pipeline file in the repo root. Make sure to commit a minimal job that checks out code and runs unit tests. This first commit validates connectivity and permissions and gives you quick feedback before adding complexity. You now expand the pipeline with deterministic build and test stages. Define explicit install and build commands, package artifacts, and run tests in containers to avoid machine drift. Use environment variables for secrets and a consistent runtime image. This prevents works on my machine surprises. Once tests pass, add caching for dependencies and parallelize independent jobs to reduce duration. Make sure to record artifacts and test reports, so downstream jobs and review. You finish by wiring deployment jobs and safety controls, require approvals for production, run health checks post-deploy, and implement automated rollback on failure. Once deployed, integrate monitoring and log forwarding so pipeline owners see runtime errors and performance metrics. Make sure notifications go to the right channels for fast response. If things go wrong, check pipeline logs, artifact checksums, and environment variable mismatches first. These reveal most deployment failures and let you restore a known good release quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.